my name is Deon Ambersley. I am a therapist and life coach with a focus on women's issues and women's wellness. And today I wanted to kickstart the conversation around mental health. As it's May and it's Mental Health Awareness Month, we thought it would be a good idea to talk about how we would work with a patient in ensuring that their mental health is optimal. So to start, we should probably talk about what mental health is. Very often I find that when people speak of mental health, they often think of it in terms of the absence of a mental illness and disorder. But we really want to think about mental health in a bigger way. We want to think of it in a more expansive way, right? Mental health is how we are functioning emotionally, psychologically, and socially, right? It also looks at the way we think, feel, and act. Are we showing up as our best selves? That's what we really want to think about when we talk about mental health. Like physical health, we know that for physical health, we have to do things to ensure that we stay physically healthy, right? So we may watch the way we eat. We may watch our exercise, our sleep, our stress, to, really make sure that we're taking care of our bodies. But we want to be doing the same things with our mind. We want to ensure that we're pouring into ourselves so that we are our best selves mentally. So some of the things that we want to consider are, are you able to regulate your emotions, right? Are you responding to situations at the level of which they're happening? Are we stressed and overwhelmed? I think sometimes we take for granted that maybe we're overworking ourselves, right? And maybe we may need to slow down because it doesn't help our mental well-being. Or we may be looking at, are we socially connected? Do we have good connections? When we are struggling, are we able to connect and relate to people and speak to people about the struggles that we're having? And one of the things about mental health is that if you do find that you're struggling in any of these areas and you're not quite sure what to do, working with someone such as myself, a therapist or a counselor, can really be helpful. And there's many ways to ensure that you're pouring into your mental well-beings, but often people find that therapy can be very helpful, particularly if there are things which have happened in the past that you want to work through. Therapy can do a lot to be able to help you with coping and coming up with strategies to move forward. So if you are wanting to learn more about how to address your mental health or how to stay at an optimal level with mental health, I do encourage you to reach out and look out for the other videos that my colleagues are going to share about how they would work with patients to ensure that they're managing and maintaining good mental health. It was great speaking to you. Look forward to the next video. Thank you.